Moving on, now I request Mr. Guru Prakash Rayasa, Country Head of Sales NSS India, Keysight, to share his insights on the growing security concern in the country. Mr. Guru Prakash is the Country Head of Sales for NSS India at Keysight. Mr. Guru has over 25 years of industry experience. He has built a strong collaborative sales force through empowerment and accountability. He has achieved success by taking the market share by focusing on both business and people growth, earning loyalty both within the organization and from customers. He has holistic understanding about the telecom sector and the enterprise markets.
Let me introduce to the Keysight Technologies, which is a New York stock listed company, is a leading technology company that helps enterprise, service providers, and governments accelerate innovation to connect and secure the world. Keysight's solution optimize networks and bring electronic products to market faster and at a lower cost with offerings from design simulation to prototype validation to manufacturing test to optimization in networks and cloud environments. Customers span the worldwide communications ecosystem, aerospace and defense, automotive energy, semiconductor, and general electronic markets. As a future technology enabler, Keysight goes where the electronic signal goes. Keysight has some of the top global companies across sectors as clients, and their mantra is you can only improve what you can measure. Keysight has electronic design, test, and solutions that lead the industry. On this backdrop, let me invite Mr. Guru Prakash Rayasa, country head of sales NSS India Keysight, to give his thought. Guru, if I can ask you, tell us about the acquisition of Ixia by Keysight and how does this acquisition enhance your capabilities?
The acquisition of Ixia by Keysight Technology pairs two strong complementary innovation companies. Keysight brings 75 years of measurement leadership, strong worldwide presence, and a proven operational discipline. Ixia brings a deep expertise in IP network assessment, visibility solutions, cyber security, and a software-centric business. This combination creates a global leader providing a unique range of end-to-end solutions that help our customer to develop next generation products as well as optimize and secure their networks. The acquisition of Ixia strengthens Keysight's position in network visibility, network testing, and network security, as well as the visibility for cloud services in traditional and software defined or the SDN.
Yeah. So, hello. Network problem. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, we can network problem. Okay. So it is fine. So my next question would be, what is network visibility and how is it relevant to customers in the current context?
Yeah, very good question. So the network visibility is a fancy way to say make it easy for security and marketing teams to find issues which could be critical cybersecurity threat and fix it. The value of visibility comes from intelligence, not just seeing the data, but understanding what's happening in the network and the cloud environment. There are key three drivers for visibility. One is security, network, application performance. Today, an enterprise uses around 50 different networks and security tools. And also this landscape is getting complex with BOID, encryption, IoT, cloud, and etc. Thanks to these developments, most of the enterprises have hidden network and application problems. Network visibility solutions are focused to explore these problems, eliminate blind spots, improve efficiency, and reduce cost, and also optimize troubleshooting efforts. The success is based on the solution that we choose to implement and how well we implement them for inline security or for the out of band security monitoring. Thank you.
So can you brief us on the security portfolio and breach and attack simulation?
Sure. The cybersecurity breach have become a commonplace. We all know about it. but this is very, very alarming across the organization. This, along with rapid digitization and regulatory norms, are driving the need for cybersecurity. As our reliance on data and interconnectivity increases, developing a strong resilience to withstand the cyber attacks has never been so important. The only way to know is to test your own defense before hackers can. A threat simulator, a breach and attack simulator, addresses the need for the continuous, comprehensive, and consistent assessment to check the effectiveness of the security posture. It provides an actionable remediation, and also it helps you defend against the new way of cyber attacks and exploits. Threat Simulator platform is built on a 20-year leadership in network security testing. The ongoing research on our application threat intelligence team ensures that the regular updates so that the customers have the access to the latest breach scenarios and threat simulations. Threat Simulator is provided by a flexible cloud-based platform that can scale as your network grows.
So get ahead
You,
of attacks and continuously optimize your cybersecurity.
correct. You need to get ahead of your attacks and continuously optimize your security. The security operation teams face a constant barrage of threats. We all know about it. It could be both intentional or accidental. But by simply buying and plugging a new security device does not make a platform magically disappear. The reality is the IT security is a process, not a destination. Maintaining optimum security takes constant investment in time and resource to get most out of the technology and the deployed products. You can manage what you can't measure. The security effectiveness is notoriously difficult to measure. How do you know if your network is safe? Do you know it? If your security products are configured correctly, or do you know that your security products are configured correctly? Are you making the right investment? How do you justify the need for a new device?
So be a hero, not a headline.
Absolutely. You should not be a hero. You should be a hero, but not a headline.
Yeah.
You need continuously test your network defenses, find and fix vulnerabilities, misconfiguration, and prove you are safer than you were yesterday. Keysight can help here. With Threat Simulator, you can safely simulate attacks on your production network. Mind you, it's a production network, and probe your security stack for vulnerabilities and breaches. We have a patented recommendation engine in Threat Simulator that gives you a detailed, easy to follow instruction to close potential gaps, optimize your security posture. 50% of the companies were breached because their cybersecurity solution was not working as expected. Threat Simulator is easy to deploy as it is cost effective. It can be used as a software as a service tool also. The intuitive dashboard shows the vulnerabilities, audit status, security measurements over the time. However, the flexibility becomes important too. That's why Threat Simulator makes it easy to run assessment on a fixed schedule, or you can automatically run an assessment when you detect a change in your security policy or a new malware whatsoever. You will see which attacks you are vulnerable at and how to address them and what step to take if your existing solution cannot block them. Thank you.
So can you share some of your success stories, some use cases with us?
If you look at in India, any of the major large private bank today uses our threat simulator. They have implemented both inline as well as the out of band visibility solution to increase their network, the strength, network infrastructure, and also the security infrastructure. They constantly assess their network using Keysight visibility and the breach and the attack simulation tools to enhance the security of their network. You name any large bank, they are our customers. Thank you.
Okay, can you give some closing remark?
Yeah, we all know, right? The network of the past are gone. It's more complex today. Cloud, edge, and virtualization has replaced all the barbed wire of yesterday's security. But yet, the security remains a challenge. The network parameters are vanishing and the new threats are constantly emerging. In the next 2 years alone, nearly one third of the companies will be breached. So when it comes to your own network, your best defense is your offense. You don't need expensive tools. You need to know if the tools you already have are protecting you. The problem is that the measuring the effectiveness on a production network has never been possible until now. This is where Keysight comes into picture, and Keysight will help you to measure the effectiveness on a production network. We are present here all of today at our booth. I request you to take time to get in touch with us and get to know more details about our security portfolio. Thank you.
You're absolutely correct. Everyone needs to continuously test their network defenses, find and fix the vulnerabilities. Please don't forget to participate in filling the feedback forms by Keysight by visiting the booth. There are exciting prizes to be won.